Welcome to the personal property tour for 543 Methilhaven Road in Buckhaven. This is a spacious 2-bedroomed ground floor apartment. You've got a shower room, you've got a lovely size lounge, you've got garden to the front, you've also got a garden to the rear as well. This is a great opportunity as well to add value, and it's in a great location. I'm just going to take you on the tour. This is the property here. So it's ground floor, as you can see, so it comes from here to here. You've got all this garden to the front, you've got access to the side as well to your rear garden. Let me just take you on the tour. So it's a great opportunity to add value with this one. You've got that one level living aspect, which is great. So great for a starter family, someone downsizing. It's a really nice ground floor apartment. So we're going to head on in. So as soon as we come in, you're coming straight into the hallway. So it's a nice long hallway as well. It feels lovely and spacious actually. And then you've got everything on this level, of course you have, because it's ground floor. So we come in here, you've got bedroom number 1. So good sized double room, as you can see. Plenty of space. This one overlooks the front, but lots of room for freestanding furniture. It's a good sized room, isn't it? So plenty of space in here. And that is bedroom number 1. We're then going to head into back out into the hallway. You've got a large cupboard here as well for storage, which is really handy. And then you've got bedroom number 2, which is just in here. Again, another really good sized double room. They're good sized rooms actually. Plenty of space for freestanding furniture as well. This one overlooks the rear garden. But again, as I say, it's a really good sized double, isn't it? And that is bedroom number 2. You've got storage here as well in the hallway. So plenty of space for your coats, boots and shoes and things. We're going to head in then to the shower room. So you've got your WC, you've got your sink and you've got your shower with your electric shower as well. So again, nice and spacious. Go back out into the hallway. You can see again just the length of the hallway. Lots of room here. We head on in then into the lounge. So it's a really good sized lounge actually. It's a nice shape as well. That's a large L-shaped sofa. You've got an additional sofa as well, so there's plenty of space in here. Nice and bright. Window to the front. Hello, Pose. And you've got an inlet there as well, so it just gives you that wee bit extra space as well. But it's a lovely square room too, so really flexible. Then from the lounge, you head into the kitchen. So plenty of space for your freestanding appliances. You've got cupboards in this direction. You've got full-size cupboards in here as well. You've got a breakfasting area. Got another double cupboard in here too. So plenty of space in here. Nice and bright with the window in the door and also with the window there. Then from here we head on out into the garden. So you've got a rear garden space here as well. And I'll just talk you through the actual layout of the space outside. So that's the side that you saw from the front that brings you in, and then your garden runs from this pole. Basically this is your garden here. So you could easily put a nice fence up here, a wee gate, totally enclose that. You're going to get the sun coming round as well, so you can have sun most of your evening. It's in a great location. So this is personal property tour for 543 Methilhaven Road in Buckhaven. It's a really spacious 2-bedroom ground floor apartment, isn't it? And you've got that garden to the front, you've got garden to the rear, you've got access from the side, 2 good sized double bedrooms, you've got a nice sized lounge there as well, you've got your shower room and also a breakfasting kitchen. Lots of opportunity to add value to this one as well, but it's in a great location. So you're on the bus links that take you into Leven. You can also get the bus to Cameron Bridge train station or to Leven train station. You're not far from that at all. You're within walking distance of Levenmouth Academy and Buckhaven Primary School. It's a short drive, but you can walk it as well. And also, once you're into Leven, you've got that beach, you've got the high street, you've got the promenade, you've got the swimming pool, you've got the golf courses and that lovely beach to walk along, as I say. In the opposite direction, again, you're on the bus links that can take you through to Kirkcaldy. You've got the train station there as well, so you've really got great commute links here. But also you've got great lifestyle here too with having those beaches. You're close to the Fife Coastal Path as well. You can walk down to Buckhaven Beach too. So much on your doorstep. Lots of local amenities in the surrounding area as well. This is a personal property tour. If you look at the link, you'll get more details on the property and that all-important price point. If it's of interest to you though, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye bye.